While Oculus spent years developing hype towards the eventual release of its consumer virtual reality device, HTC and the Valve pounced and stole the show with the Live, which had VR tracking, large-scale environment and driver support very much in front of the Oculus Rift. Then followed the support of developers and most of the market, and although the Oculus has regained ground by lowering the price of the Rift as low as possible, HTC makes it clear that it is more interested in advancing virtual reality technology than in participating in a race to the bottom. For that, we have the HTC Vive Pro. It is the most powerful VR headset on the market, and you can say as much for its spec sheet as for its price. A great update. The most obvious thing you will notice about the Vive Pro at first glance is that it has a different color. The black plastic of the original Vive has gone, and in its place there is a kind of dark bluish purple. I really do not have an opinion in any way about this because it's a minor change, and obviously you will not notice when you use the headphones anyway. In any case, that is one thing. The bowels of the Pro are a great step forward from its predecessor. The original Vive has an OLED screen with a resolution of 2160x1200. The Vive Pro surpasses that with an AMOLED screen with a resolution of 2880x1600, which is 1440x1600 per eye. The field of view and the refresh rate remain the same at 110 degrees and 90 Hz, respectively. On paper, those numbers are pretty impressive, but it's not until you actually compare the experience of the two headphones that you really see the difference. I played a handful of new and old VR titles with the original HTC Vive and the Vive Pro consecutively to get an idea of how big the change really is, and I can say without a doubt that once you've used the Vive Pro it is not easy to return to the original Live, or to the Rift, for that matter.